Well, hello viewers. Today I have Elizabeth figure from Seven Deadly Sins, and this is from a pop-up parade from a Good Smiley. I think the retail price for this figure is about 36.99, so about like $37. And all right, so this is Elizabeth from Seven Deadly Sin. It's nothing on the right here. It's nothing there. Nothing on the back. It's just to figure itself. But before I unbox this, I also like to show you something. Oh man. All right, so careful. I also have Elizabeth from Seven Devison, and this is the bunny figure. And this thing is it's huge. It's 1/4 scale. Yeah, Elizabeth bunny figure. It's I don't know how I'm gonna box this. To tell you the truth, this thing is huge. This is a so I don't know how I'm gonna box this. It's I don't know. Well, I'm just showing you that I also have like Elizabeth bunny figure. I don't even know how I'm gonna box that. Maybe when I have like a better setup. But yeah, but anyway, back to uh this Elizabeth from Pop-Up Parade. Alright. There you go. So look, I don't know how this thing is freaking huge. Look, one more time. Whatever. So all right, let's just unbox this. I don't know how I'm gonna box that 1/4 scale figure of Elizabeth as two. As I don't know, man. I don't know, but let's just unbox this. All right. All right. It's on the floor. All right. It's on the floor. All right, that's the base. And here's Elizabeth. All right, so let's look at her closely. Not a bad looking figure for under 40 bucks though. All right, so let's look at the back. It's not bad though. And let's see. You can't really lift this up though, so don't even bother. But yes, you still see her you still see her undergarment. And you can still see right there. Right there. You can see her undergarment. So all right, let's just put on the base. All right, here you go. Elizabeth from Seven Deadly Sin. You see how big is she? About 6.5 inches. Well, she's 6 inches. But with the base, she's about 6.5 inches. And yeah, let's use the rotation disc. Rotate her. All right. All right, there you go. Not a bad looking figure for about like, less than 40 bucks though. From Good Smiley, the Pop-Up Parade brand. But yeah, I mean, if you guys like Elizabeth from Seven Deadly Sin, you know, are you into like key anime girls figures, this is not that bad. All right, so let me bring it up close. Put it like that. And thanks for watching.